Hello, William, guys. It's a chemical that human beings call it soap. It's tough when it's dry, look, but it becomes smooth when it's wet. Look, it runs away in my hands, look. Human beings use it to clean themselves by it. Let's see what we have here outside. Oh yeah, that thing. It has a cell-to-cell form. It must be made of strong material. Yeah, it's strong. Because humans climb it. Humans can't fly or jump high. So in my opinion, they use it for climb up to high places. Or have low. As I do. Yeah. And let's not forget that human beings call it stairs. Stairs. And here you have some kind of food. It's a contain of ingredients. Usually there are flour and milk and sugar and egg, oil and butter. Humans call it cake. It's thin and easy to digest, so they mostly eat it in celebrations. Or sometimes they eat it when they feel hungry, like this human.